Do you want to sculpt an attractive, muscular, and fit body without stepping foot in a gym? It might sound impossible, but with calisthenics, it's completely doable. Calisthenics means using your own body weight for resistance. No fancy equipment needed. Today I'm going to walk you through a powerful, step-by-step calisthenics routine that takes you from beginner to elite, entirely at home. Best of all, if you stick to this plan, in 90 days you'll be well on your way to achieving the physique of a movie hero or action star. By the end of this video, you'll thank me, I promise, because I'm not throwing you a random workout. This is a proven, balanced routine designed to get you results. Let's dive in. This complete program is split into 4 levels. Each level builds on the previous one, gradually adding more challenging exercises. Here's the roadmap. Level 1, Foundation, Beginner. Build core strength, stability, and basic muscle conditioning. Level 2, Strength, Intermediate. Unlock more strength and start transforming your body composition. Level 3, Power, Advanced. Add explosive and compound moves to develop serious power and muscle. Level 4, Mastery, Elite. Master the toughest bodyweight moves for a truly sculpted superhero physique. Get ready to transform your body. Let's begin with Level 1, Foundation. Master these basic moves first to build a solid base. Aim for good form and gradual progress. Straight arm plank. Begin in a push-up position with your arms locked out and shoulders above your wrists. Tuck your elbows slightly forward and keep your back flat and body in a straight line. Hold this plank for 30-60 seconds as a beginner. This move builds core stability, improves your posture, and activates your abs and back muscles. Aim for 1 minute as a minimum goal. Downward dog, pike. Hold. From a plank, push your hips up and back into an upside-down V shape, like the yoga downward dog. Keep your legs straight and hands shoulder-width apart. Hold for 20-30 seconds per set. This pike hold stretches and strengthens your shoulders, arms, and upper back. It's great for improving shoulder mobility and balance. Gradually work up to longer holds as you get more comfortable. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your knees behind your toes, then stand back up. Start with 20 reps per set. This basic squat will jumpstart your leg development and overall strength. Focus on going as low as you can with good form. If 20 reps feels too easy over time, increase the rep count or slow down the movement to make it harder. Box squats, chair squats. If you find regular squats tough or you have weak knees, use a chair or box for support. Start by sitting onto a chair and then standing back up without using your hands for help. This ensures balance and helps build leg strength safely. Aim for 15 to 20 reps. As you improve, raise the chair height or transition back to regular squats. Dead hangs. Find a sturdy bar or even a beam you can hang from and simply hang with your arms fully extended. Grip the bar with your hands shoulder-width apart and relax your body weight. Start by hanging for 10-20 seconds per set and gradually work up to 30 seconds or more. Dead hangs are fantastic for building grip strength and decompressing your spine. They also begin to engage your lats and shoulders. Active hangs, scapular pulls. Once dead hangs feel comfortable, turn them into active hangs. While hanging, keep your arms straight but actively pull your shoulder blades down and together as if trying to pinch something between them. Then relax. You can also do tiny up-down movements. Perform 5-8 reps, pulling your chest slightly up toward the bar each time. Active hangs start to activate your back muscles, lats, more effectively. These will lay the foundation for a wider V-shaped back later. Once you've practiced these moves consistently and can hold your planks, hangs, and squats with control, it's time to level up. You've built your foundation, now let's unlock your strength with Level 2. Level 2, Strength Intermediate. Now we kick things up a notch. These exercises will challenge you more and help your body start to transform. Incline push-ups. Place your hands on an elevated surface, like a bench or sturdy chair, and keep your body straight as you lower your chest towards the surface and push back up. Because your feet are on the ground and hands raised, this is easier than a full push-up. Perfect for building chest and tricep strength initially. Aim for 12-15 reps. Over time, lower the incline, use a lower surface, or increase reps. This move is the best way to develop upper body strength without floor push-ups. Decline, elevated, pike push-ups. Get into a pike position with your feet on a raised surface, bench or chair, and your hands on the floor, hips high. From here, bend your elbows and lower your head toward the ground, then push back up. This targets your shoulders and upper chest. Start with 6 to 8 reps. These are tougher than regular push-ups and build powerful shoulders. Progress by increasing reps or using a lower bench for higher angle. Inverted rows, body rows. Lie under a sturdy bar or use a table edge and grab it with an overhand grip, hands about shoulder width. Keep your body straight and heels on the ground. Pull your chest up to the bar, squeezing your shoulder blades, then lower back down. Do 10-12 reps. This horizontal pulling move builds a strong back and biceps. It's one of the best exercises for creating a wide V-shaped back, especially at a beginner-intermediate level. Jump-style pull-ups, jackknife pull-ups. These are like an assisted pull-up. Stand under the bar, jump or step up so your chin is above the bar, like the top of a pull-up, then slowly lower yourself down as far as you can. Try to control the descent. Aim for 6 to 8 reps. This builds the muscles needed for full pull-ups, lats, biceps, forearms, and prepares you to eventually do unassisted pull-ups. Walking lunges. Step forward into a lunge, front knee bent at 90 degrees, back knee nearly touching the ground, then push off and switch legs, walking forward as you lunge. Do 10-12 lunges per leg, so 20-24 total steps. Lunges are great for leg development, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and for balance. They'll give you muscular defined legs as you progress. Hollow body hold. Lie on your back, lift your legs straight off the ground and raise your upper back. Shoulders slightly too, so only your lower back touches the floor. Hold this hollow position to fully engage your abs and deep core muscles. Start with 10-20 seconds per hold, working up to longer times. The hollow hold is key for a six-pack and overall core stability. Make sure to keep your lower back flat on the floor to protect your spine. At the end of level 2, you should feel noticeably stronger and more stable. Give yourself a moment to recover after these hard sets, then get ready for the final 2 levels, more power moves and advanced skills. Stick with it and you're already on track to a transformed body. Level 3. Power, Advanced. Now that you have a solid base of strength and stability, it's time to add some power and intensity. These exercises will rapidly accelerate your progress. Standard push-ups, the classic chest builder. With hands on the floor, shoulder width apart and body straight, lower your chest to the ground and push up. Aim for at least 20 reps per set, or as many as you can with good form. Push-ups hit your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They're essential for developing upper body mass and endurance. If 20 becomes easy, increase the reps or slow down each rep for more challenge. Pike, handstand. Push-ups. Get back into the pike position, hips high, body forming an inverted V. But this time, do a push-up towards the floor. Lower your head or forehead towards the ground, then push back up, focusing on your shoulders. Start with 8 reps and build up. These target the shoulders and upper chest intensely. If a full pike push-up is too tough, you can practice partial range of motion or do them against a wall. Jump squats, tuck jumps. From a squat position, explode up into a jump and land softly back into a squat. Do 12-15 reps. This explosive leg movement will skyrocket your leg power and cardiovascular fitness. If needed, you can just do gentle vertical jumps, but try to get full jump squats if your knees are healthy. Over time, aim for higher jumps or more reps. Negative pull-ups. Time to really work toward that pull-up. Jump or step up so your chin is at bar level, as if completing a pull-up, then slowly lower down until your arms are fully straight. The key is slow and controlled descent. Count 3 to 5 seconds on the way down. Do 6 to 8 reps. These train the exact muscles used in pull-ups, lats, biceps, forearms. Gradually, your muscles will get stronger, bringing you closer to doing full pull-ups. Bodyweight bicep curls. Use a broomstick or sturdy pole. Loop a towel or strap around the bar, hold an underhand grip, and lean back under it. Keeping your body straight, bend your elbows to pull yourself forward, feeling the burn in your biceps. Do 10-12 reps. This mimics a bicep curl using your body weight and helps build bigger arms. Diamond, fingers. Push-ups. Form a triangle with your thumbs and index fingers on the floor, then perform push-ups. This variation forces more triceps engagement. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. If that's too hard on your wrists, do tricep dips instead. Use a chair or bench, lower your body by bending elbows, then push back up. Either way, build that horseshoe tricep muscle. Lateral arm raises. Stand straight and extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height, holding for a moment, then lower. You can do this without weight, holding your arms out or flaring them, or hold light objects. Do 10-12 reps. This move targets the rear deltoids, back of your shoulders, which are often neglected but essential for broad, rounded shoulders. It also helps with shoulder stability. Leg raises, straight leg. Lie on your back and lift your legs straight up to 90 degrees, perpendicular to the ground. Then lower them without touching the floor. Keep your legs straight the whole time. Do 10 to 12 reps. This hardcore exercise locks in your six-pack by forcing your entire core to engage, especially the lower abs. It's one of the best moves for an aesthetic ripped midsection. After level 3, your body will be transforming. You'll notice stronger arms, chest, shoulders, and legs, and that six-pack will start to appear. You might already be getting comments on how different you look. Congratulations, you've built real strength. But if you truly want that superhero or martial artist physique, think of the top-tier physiques you admire. There's one final step. Level 4, Mastery. Level 4, Mastery, Elite. This is the final stretch. The hardest moves that separate the strong from the elite. Master these and you'll have a physique that turns heads. Dips, chair or parallel bars. Using a sturdy chair or parallel bars, support yourself with straight arms, then bend your elbows to lower your body and push back up. Aim for 8 to 10 solid reps. Dips are one of the best chest and tricep builders you can do with bodyweight. They will really blow up your chest and give you that powerful pushing strength. Make sure to lean slightly forward to emphasize the chest. L sit hold. Sit between two parallettes, or on the edge of two chairs. Press down and lift your legs straight out in front of you so your body forms an L shape. Keep your legs parallel to the ground. Hold this position for 10 seconds and gradually work up to 20 seconds or more as you get stronger. The L-sit is insanely effective for the entire core, especially the lower abs and hip flexors, and also challenges your triceps and shoulders. It's a hallmark move of elite bodyweight athletes. Pistol squats, one-legged squats. Stand on one leg, extend the other leg forward, and slowly lower your body into a full squat on the standing leg. Then stand back up. Do 8 to 10 reps per leg, or as many as you can manage. Pistol squats are the ultimate test of leg strength and balance. They sculpt incredible muscle in your quads and glutes. If you can't do a full pistol yet, start by holding on to something for support and go as low as you can. Progress bit by bit. Full pull-ups. Finally, the crown jewel. Grab a bar with an overhand grip shoulder width apart. Pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar, then lower back down with control. Aim for 5 to 10 reps. Pull-ups develop a thick V-shaped back, bulging biceps, and ripped forearms. They are crucial for any truly athletic build. If 5 full pull-ups are too hard right now, keep using negatives or do chin-ups, underhand grip, until you can easily do 5. Then push yourself to increase reps. There's nothing like the feeling of smashing multiple pull-ups in a row. It's the ultimate sign of your strength. Congratulations! If you've mastered all the exercises from level 1 through level 4, you now have a complete world-class calisthenics routine. You don't need any fancy gym equipment or any other workout program. You have every exercise you need to become as strong, lean, and aesthetic as your favorite action hero or athlete. Now comes the important part, consistency. Write down today's date, the day you started this journey, and commit to following this routine over the next 90 days. Push yourself a little harder each week. Track your progress. Add more reps, longer holds, or deeper movements over time. And when you stick with it and see your body transforming, make sure to come back and comment the start date below. Believe me, you'll be thanking yourself and me later for sticking through this program. Now get started, give your all, and watch your body transform into the strong, muscular, and fit machine you've always dreamed of. Let's go. The new you is waiting.